Sarah Brickle, singer and voice coach, and this is the warm-up workout. The exercises in this program are designed to help you to warm up your singing voice and to also improve and develop your vocal technique. Warming up your voice as a singer is a really important thing and it shouldn't be missed out. And these 8 exercises can be used daily to help you warm up your voice before you perform, before you practice repertoire, or before you move on to working on particular technical exercises or techniques that you want to improve. Getting into a good vocal regime is key if you want to improve and develop your voice. These exercises are going to improve your pitching, your oral awareness, your tone, your vocal range, your dynamic range, your endurance, and improve all the technical aspects that you need to become a great singer. So let's get started with your vocal warm-up workout.